graphically show that it would penetrate, and it did. And this is this piece of press board. It's rather heavy. You can see the thickness of this particular press board. And the pellet that I've given you there, it's a .177 pellet, and there are other size pellets also, up to and including a 50 caliber pellet, but the more normal is a .177 caliber pellet that came through, going out the back, and then of course, as you saw in that particular video, came through and punctured the balloon.